going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe. Let's get into it. Starting out with the box, you got this nice UNC colorway box. It's all UNC blue with this black Nike on top. You got your black Nike on this side, same on this side. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and the colorway is University Blue, black and white. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got your just same normal stamp of approval right there on top of the box. You just got your normal white tissue paper on the insides. That's pretty much it for the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and get to the main ingredient of this video, and it is the Air Jordan 1 High UNC Toe. Alright, we're going to start this off by saying these are so far my favorite highs of the year in the Jordan 1s. I mean, this colorway, you can't go wrong with this colorway. To me, any UNC colorway looks very nice, but to me, when you put it on a 1, it looks even better. So glad I was able to get these. It was able to hit on the shop drop that they had, because these initially don't come out until July 22nd. Retailing for $180 in men's sizes, $140 in GS, and then you got your preschool and your toddlers. But of course, you know I got mine in my GS sizes because to me it doesn't matter. The GS and the men's look the same. So got me a GS size. Like them, love them, no issues, no quality control problems. My only issue with these is Nike forgot to give me my laces. It's always something. I know a lot of people say that GS sizes don't come with extra laces, but in Jordan 1 highs, they do come with extra laces. These were supposed to come with the UNC colorway laces, in which I did not get them, and I know that they do come with the GS sizes. I already contacted Nike. They didn't, told me what, how Nike do. They just try to throw you a coupon. But overall, I'm not too mad at it because I didn't really feel as though I was gonna really switch out the laces. I was gonna really stick with the black ones that they come with, but I mean, I paid for them. I still want my laces, Nike. So we're going to see how that goes. But overall, still a very clean shoe. So I'm not mad at the overall look and just the purpose of this shoe right here. So let's go ahead and get into the description. Like I said, this is the UNC Toe. So as we all know, you got that UNC colorway right here on top of the toe in this leather material. I'm not going to say it's the best material because they have had better material on Jordan 1. So it's okay material. It's not horrible. But it's okay. So you got that UNC on the top. You got that black leather right here on the front of the toe of the shoe. Coming to the side, you still got that all white leather right there on the side with that black Nike check right there on the side. Also, moving to the heel of the shoe where you got that same UNC colorway in that leather going all the way up to the top of the heel of the shoe. On the inside of the shoe, you just got Nike Air right there in that UNC colorway, which is, nice. Overall, like I said, it's nice. I didn't string them up. You got that nice regular vinyl material right here on the tongue of the shoe, and then you got your Nike Air right there on top of the tongue. Overall, very clean, y'all. I loving this colorway. Like I said, you can't go wrong with it. You got that white leather right here on the midsole, and then you got that UNC rubber going throughout the bottom of the shoe. They got your Nike on the bottom like we have on every Air Jordan 1. And then let me forget, you got the Air Jordan wings right here on the side of the shoe also, which I think is very, very clean in my opinion. To me, like I said, very nice summer colorway. Like I said, all UNC colorways are nice. It's a couple UNC colorways. We got the Obsidians, you got the Hyper Royals. It's some more I'm leaving out, but I know there's so many UNC colorways out there, and I don't even have. This is my only one, so I understand the ones that do have all those colorways that pass on these, but this is my only one as far as the UNC colorway and Jordan 1. So I definitely wanted to go for these, and I'm liking them, loving them. Can't go wrong with this colorway. And like I said, they come out July 22nd. So y'all let me know down comment below. Are you gonna be going for these, or did you hit on the shop drop like I did and get lucky and get them a little bit early? But this was the left shoe. Right shoe looks same as that way. You got that UNC in black and white going throughout the whole upper of the shoe, which is very nice and very clean. You got a UNC bottom and that all white midsole on these right here. Air Jordan 1s, like I said, they saying they're dead. I'm not understanding why. I love Air Jordan 1s. One is my favorite out of all the J's anyway. That's my favorite one. I love ones. Then maybe we can get to then I would probably go with fours, but as far as my favorite out of every number Jordan, ones are my favorite highs, but especially the lows, as we all know. But of course, I love a nice high anyway. So these are clean to me. They kind of remind me of my lows. What are the lows that came out last year, the powder blue lows, kind of similar in a way, but this colorway is just a tad bit different. But of course, when you put them up together, they actually don't look too much different, except for this got that white toe and then this got that UNC toe. But overall, two very clean shoes. Loving these. Of course, me personally, I'm definitely going with my lows because I love lows the most. But these highs are right here are very, very clean, and I'm loving this colorway of the shoe. So y'all let me know. Are these a copper drop? Are you going for them? Or are you going to pass on them? Let me know down in the comments below. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.